Have you ever wanted to compose a message but didn't want to send it right away, but rather you wanted to schedule it to be sent out at a later point in time? Hi, I'm Willem Mosich. Welcome to BotSplash TV, where I'll be diving into the feature of Schedule Send and its applications. Within the BotSplash omni-channel customer engagement platform, it's possible for users, whether it's a mortgage loan officer or automotive sales representative, to compose messages and schedule them to be sent out at a later point in time. Besides the Send button is a drop-down menu button that allows users to pop up a window where they can compose their message and then schedule it to be sent out later. Moreover, the BotSplash platform allows users to schedule that message to be around the recipient's time zone, thereby ensuring that that future schedule sent message follows all necessary TCPA guidelines. The Schedule Send feature is a game changer. It allows users to plan out their outreach while writing their messages, not having to worry about sending out all of their messages all at once. If you'd like to incorporate Schedule Send as a part of your customer engagement efforts, feel free to learn more about BotSplash or feel free to reach out to me. I'm Willem Mosich. Thank you for watching BotSplash TV.